I'm Dorothy from Let's Eat Malaysian. Today I'm at my daughter's home and I'm doing some simple dishes for dinner, and I'm going to do a vegetable dish with kale. So I've gone to the markets and got a beautiful bunch of kale which I've washed, and I'll be using garlic and 200 grams of pork. Now where's my pork? Yeah. So here's about 200 grams of pork that I've thawed. So we start with chop some garlic up. Maybe I can do it with a different thing. So now that's a big bunch of kale, so I'm going to put more garlic into my dish. So probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cloves of garlic. If you bash them, it'll be easier to peel. Now, I'm going to try to cut this against the grain. So the grain is running this way. So I'm going to into slices. Okay, what you do is you're going to marinate your pork. To tenderize the meat, I'm using soya sauce. Okay, about a tablespoon here, based on this tablespoon, more or less a standard tablespoon. Some sugar. Okay, not a lot, nah? As I said, balance. And corn flour. Yeah, so, well, it's about a tablespoon, since there's 200 grams of pork here. Now for this kale dish, I have to make the sauce. So, okay, now this is going to be the sauce. About a spoon of corn flour, thickening sauce. A big dollop of ginger. Soya sauce. Okay. Soya sauce. Sugar, about half a teaspoon. This will be probably, if you need a bit more, you can add it while you go along, while you cook. Now we were doing the sauce, so we're going to put a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay. Tablespoon of xing wine. Now, this is the normal dinner spoon, so yeah, tablespoon of xing wine. And caution with your sesame oil, a bit, do just 2 or 3 drops. Yeah, 2 or 3 drops of sesame oil because it's very powering. I'm going to chop the kale, but meantime, this ingredient, which is prawn stock, there's only about 1/5 of a piece here, I think. We can put that in the kale. There's a lot of kale here. So this is a simple thing to do. Now I normally don't want this part, it's quite hard. And you can coarsely chop this up. Take out this end part. Okay. Coarsely chop it up about 3 inches wide. Light up the fire. Go on medium. About 3 tablespoons, is it? Something like that. Olive oil, huh? So we'll have to see how it goes, huh? Olive oil. I'm putting the garlic and the prawn stock in. Okay. Brown the garlic a bit. The garlic, you can really smell the fragrance. Okay. Slightly browned, you can add in your pork. Okay, it's partly cooked already, the pork, you can add your kale. Yes, it does smell good. Oh, it looks a lot now, huh? Now, kale actually brings up quite a lot of water, so we'll see. You'll see how it cooks down, you know. Okay, I'm going to add the sauce now. If there's not enough sauce, you just make a bit more of your corn flour. Definitely looks like we will need a bit more. So I'm going to make up some corn flour. Should be done. Yeah, it's done.